Personally, I bought my first car at 12 years old and have been playing with cars ever since then, I guess you could say. Like most of us here, we're automotive enthusiasts. We have over 35,000 parts in stock for a wide variety of vehicles, from English cars to current BMWs and the like.
Been there probably over 10 years now. We sell a lot of foreign parts here, a lot of Audi, Volkswagen, BMW stuff.
We have sources for all cars as far as parts go. We do tend to lean toward European cars as far as our parts inventory. We carry some parts from Germany that are special for us over a lot of other people. Sonax car care products, as well as Liquimoly chemicals, K&N filters, and the WeatherTech product line.
And then we do a lot of special order as well, for specific parts anybody needs. We usually get that stuff in next day.
And we have a number of good sources for other products as well. Over the years, we've been able to put together a number of suppliers that handle a diverse amount of parts that we're able to source from.